How's it going, everyone? So you're having problem with your Rust servers not showing up in the menu. This is Guide to Everything. Let's get started. Now, the most cases on why this is happening is because your network isn't set up properly. And to fix this, you just want to open up your Steam. In here, you then want to click on Steam, click Library, and then you want to look for the Downloads category. Inside this page, scroll down and then select the Clear Download Cache. Now take note that this will clear your local download cache and restart your Steam. Now you also need to log in your account after clicking on the confirm button. So just click on confirm and basically try if this help you fix the problem. If not, we then have to apply the following steps. So from your Windows right here, you then want to search for the network settings and then click on the view network connections. You then want to select the right connectivity that you are using. In my case, I'm using the Ethernet cable. Maybe you're using something like a Wi-Fi. Just make sure to right click on the right connectivity. Click on properties. Inside this page, you then want to select the Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. From here, click properties and then select the use the following DNS server addresses. You want to use 8.8.8.8 and for the alternate DNS server, you want to use 8.8.4.4. Click on OK, click on close, and then we are ready to head over to the next step. You then want to search for the CMD window, which is going to be the command prompt. And from here, you then want to type this specific following command, which is going to be ipconfig -flush DNS. From there, you just want to make sure that you have typed it perfectly. It will say Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. And from there, you have successfully fixed the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.